So the bar graph that I've drawn on the board here is the bar graph shown in lesson 2.4 homework. So for this homework, it is talking about after school activities or after dinner activities. So the question reads, the third grade students at Case Elementary School were asked what they spent the most time doing last week after dinner. The results are shown in the bar graph at the right. How many students spent the most time watching TV after dinner? So we're going to look at our chart and we're going to refer our numbers to over here where we have our scale which goes by twos. And we're going to decide how many students watch TV. So I'm going to take my watch TV, trace my line back. So it falls between 2 and 4. So we know that the number that comes between 2 and 4 is 3. So even though 3 is not written, the number of students that spend the most time after dinner watching TV is 3. The next number says how many students in all answered the survey. So this is a question that we've seen a lot in our homeworks and classworks using all different types of graphs. So it wants to know how many students total were in the survey. So we need to add up the numbers from all of these. So I think the best strategy is going one by one and then add them all at the end. So when I do reading, I see there's 6 students here. Homework, I see 12 students. Watching TV, we already talked about that being 3. And then playing a game is 8. So now I'm going to add, when I see 12 and 8, I know that 2 and 8 go well together because they make a 10. So I start with those two numbers. 12 plus 8 equals 20. Now I'm going to add my 6, 26, and I'm going to add my 3. That puts me at 29. So the total number of students that were in this survey was 29. The next question after that asks about how many students in all played a game or read. So it wants us to look at the amount of students that played a game and the amount of students that read and find the total. The word total is a key word to tell us that we're going to be using addition. So the question is asking about playing a game or reading. So playing a game is 8 and reading is 6. 8 plus 6 equals 14. So that's 14 students. Number 4 says how many fewer, which means subtraction, students read than did homework. So we're comparing how many students read to how many students did homework. So we have 12 students did homework, and we have 6 students read. We're going to do 12 minus 6 to find the difference, and we get that 6 is left over. If your student has trouble with subtraction problems like this, I would recommend having them draw circles for 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then just crossing out 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is left. So 12 minus 6 equals 6.